Steve Phillips, Swan Financial. We received this email from Liam, a longtime listener who filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy about 10 years ago. Hasn't owned a home since. He's rebuilt his credit, finances. He's unsure where he stands today. He mailed to me, Bob at WeSellLouisville.com. That's where to send your questions, asking whether he might qualify for first-time buyer programs or assistance, even though technically he owned a home in the past. This is a good question. Does the clock reset, Steve, or does bankruptcy permanently change eligibility? Steve?
So bankruptcy does have an impact certainly on your credit, and their credit is what is driving your approval for your mortgage, of course. So off of that, yes, the short answer is yes. The long answer is there is an impact, but there's it's not forever. They do allow people to reset and overcome the past. So they're depending upon what type of bankruptcy will dictate your timeline that you're basically out of the game. If you're doing a Chapter 7 where they've eliminated all the debt and you basically got your discharge, we can start your new loan pretty much, it'll be 2 years from your Chapter 7 discharge. So from your discharge date, 2 years out is when you can actually start basically getting your credit pulled to start getting your approval. Chapter 13 is where you restructure your loan and you're making monthly payments, sometimes as much as a 5-year window to make those payments fully complete. As soon as you end a Chapter 13, you're eligible for a new government loan, FHA, VA, rural housing. You're eligible for that as the day after discharge. Chapter 7 will take 2 years from that discharge date, however.
All right, so just one more clarification here, because the specific question was, does he qualify for a first-time home buyer program? At that point,
Sure.
yeah.
Okay, so sorry. Yeah, those are basically two different questions because a first-time home buyer has no relevance on the bankruptcy, nor does the bankruptcy have any relevance on a first-time home buyer. What does differentiate a first-time home buyer is, do you have mortgage interest on your tax returns over the last 3 years? So if you have not had any mortgage interest on your tax returns over the last 3 years, you are now considered a first-time home buyer.
That is a great answer for a lot of people, because even if it wasn't regarding filing bankruptcy, if you had owned a home, and it sounds like if you haven't had this on your taxes for 3 years because you were renting, and now you decide to get back in the buying market, you can be eligible for the first-time home buyer program. Am I hearing that correctly?
You absolutely heard that correctly. Yes, sir.
All right, good. That affects a lot more people than just the bankruptcy folks. So that's good. Very good.